Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Now in this video I am going to show you how to add animation to text box in Keynote. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Apple Keynote software. Now you can see here are my Keynote slides. Now I am go to the slides and select the text box. There you can see here are built-in option, and you can see here are built-in drop-down menu. I am click this. Now we can choose compress, dissolve, drift and scale, drop, fly in. Now I am click fly in. Now here you can see here are duration and direction. Now I am increase this. Here are from left, from right, from top. Now I am choose from right. Order, delivery, at once, by paragraph, everything. Now you can see here are preview option. Now I am click this. Wait a moment, our slide is starting. Now you can see here are my slides. Now press escape on your keyboard. Now you can see add animation to text box in Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.